Welcome to the Lisboa 2-way and 1400 base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the spider, the feet, and the columns. You will need to use thread lock and an impact drill. Firstly, unscrew the pre-assembled screws from the bottom of the columns and from the middle of the foot pieces. Place the feet into the cutouts on the column, making sure the foot glides are facing upwards. Apply thread lock to all screws with the plate and reattach to the columns. Do the same with the smaller screws from the feet and place them through the middle hole on the plate. Use the drill to gradually tighten the screws in place. Next, flip the base over so the feet are face down and unscrew the pre-assembled screws from the top of the columns. Grab the spider and line up the holes, making sure the divot side is face up. Lastly, apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The Lisboa 2-way and 1400 are a part of a larger range of pedestal, table and dry bar bases. They feature a slimline design and are a simplistic addition to any hospitality environment in need of variety for different furniture configurations.